Hmm. 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 Hey, where are you? Hmm? Where is my handsome husband? Why is he not in my bed? He promised me that he would be here. What's that sound? He's working. I can hear the keyboard. Is he seriously working? He promised me that he would stay with me in bed today. What is it that you are doing, good sir? Yes, I can see that you are typing on the keyboard, but I can also see that you are working. This is your day off, and you promised me that you would spend the day with me. Allow me to wrap my coils around you and hold you close and tight. I do not care what your boss needs. I need my husband to show me some affection. That deadline is months away. Must you always work and neglect me? No, it is fine. I will go prepare breakfast. No, you do not need to follow me. I will do it alone. Continue your work. No, I do not want your pity cuddles now. Yes, I am quite cross. You promised me. All I wanted to do was snuggle today and not do anything. I do not want to go back to bed now. I have slithered out of it. So, it is a moot point. What would you like for breakfast? Very well. I will prepare that. Yes. I will make you tea and bring it to you. So frustrating. Here is your tea, my love. Breakfast is almost ready. So please get off that machine and come have breakfast with your husband. Yes. Why must you frustrate me so? Yes, I understand that you want to work hard and prove to your boss that you are a good employee, but you are now not being very attentive to me. I understand that you want to provide for me, but have you forgotten I have my own job? I can make my own means. So, you do not have to tend to me. I appreciate it. But I am serious. Please spend the rest of the day with me. I am not asking too much, am I? All I want is your 1 day off. 1 day a week to spend with me and only me. Is that not fair? I do not bother you the rest of the week for attention. I have my own affairs to keep me busy. I just want to hold you and snuggle you close, especially on days like today when it is cold outside. You know Nagas do not do well in the cold. They need a constant source of heat. So, please be my source of heat. Let me coil my tail around you and borrow some of that fantastic warmth. Plus, you know I can give you a full body massage when I coil slowly around you. And you enjoy it immensely, my husband. So please, let me borrow your warmth, and you'll get a massage in return. But breakfast is almost done, so let's go and eat and spend the rest of the day in bed or on the sofa. It does not matter which. I just want to snuggle you tightly. Thank you, my handsome husband. I love you.